This video introduces the classification of raw materials for Velcro. Nylon Velcro. High strength, wear resistance, excellent tensile strength, suitable for harsh environments such as industry and/or equipment, durable. Polyester Velcro. Heat resistance, chemical corrosion resistance, less prone to shrinkage and deformation, economical cost, suitable for daily use and high-frequency usage scenarios. Blended Velcro. Combining the advantages of nylon and polyester, balancing flexibility and durability. Cost-effective choice. Widely used in clothing, shoes, bags, etc. No matter what your needs are, choose the right raw material. Stick it together, stable and reliable. For quality Velcro, choose the Professional Raw Material series. Stick firmly, last long. Details make perfect experience.